Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I was thinking about installing some LED lights outside. We've got a pretty decent sized property here. I've got at least a 200 or 250 foot driveway that leads to the back of the house here. And I got some lights up there now, but they're pretty weak and pathetic. And I also have no light going around the back of the lean-to where I park my trailer, and got some tractor attachments and stuff like that parked out there. So first thing in the morning, it's really difficult to get hooked up to stuff. So I'm going to install some LED lights there on the back side. The only issue being is I don't really know how I want to control them just yet. Obviously wiring them to an actual switch, maybe on the outside of the garage or whatever, is pretty handy, but I want to be able to control them. Say if I'm hooked on the trailer and I'm coming in the driveway, I'd like to be able to just turn them on right away. So then I was thinking about a motion light. The only issue with that is I don't really want them flicking on and off, throughout the night. Say if there's animals out there, or a little bit of highway traffic gets them going. So the next thing I was also thinking is, a timer, right? Lots of guys just keep them on all night, but I mean, I plan on lighting this place up like a Christmas tree, so I don't really want that much light all the time, during the night. So I came across one of these on Amazon, a smart Wi-Fi outdoor plug. I'm sure you guys have heard of these, but supposedly, this is the first I've really seen them, so supposedly you can hook this little guy up. It just comes with a little grounded pigtail. Hook this guy up to any outlet, and then pair it to your Wi-Fi, and then you have two different plugs that you can control through an app. So I've never seen anything like this before, so this was pretty cool. Pretty cheap too. I think I paid 25 bucks for it. So yeah, let's go get it. Download the app, I guess, and get it paired, see if we can control it outside. Alright, so I went ahead and configured the outdoor plug, Wi-Fi plug, and I tried it out outside where I want to put the lights, and I wasn't getting the range I needed, which is understandable. It's a solid 100 feet around a garage and through a couple of walls, so I just couldn't get the reception. The plug couldn't get the reception it needed to turn off and on. So I had to go ahead and pick up one of these Wi-Fi repeaters. So I'll show you where I got this one installed here. Just goes right there. And then where the plug's going to be installed is way around the other side of the building there. So let's go outside and see if we can't turn it on now that I got the repeater going. Alright, so I've got the Wi-Fi plug installed outside, kind of close to where I want to put the lights. So let's go see if we can turn it on. It's supposed to be waterproof, and we'll be putting her to the test. We are dealing with a complete freezing rainstorm. It is hella dangerous out here. So let's just go see if we can turn this thing on without killing myself here. So here's the main house. Here's the garage. Here's the lights that I will eventually be controlling with the unit. And here's the Wi-Fi plug. Just frozen. I'm frozen, so let's see if we can turn it off and on. Looks like it works. So I had to get out of the rain there. Freezing rain is cold and hurts the eyes. If you didn't know that already. So we're back inside of the garage here. I pulled the plug off the wall. I've got it wired in, just plugged in right here. Just sitting there. So I just wanted to show you guys the app really quick. So like I was saying, you can use Google Home or Alexa, or you can download the Miros, I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, app. I got it at the Play Store and the Google Play Store. So anyways, you just download the app, and Miros, there it is. And you can control all the different products that they offer through the app. So let me switch you over to the app here. And basically, once you're logged in, you add your smart outdoor plug. You can control the plug just by tapping on the button. So that's my plan anyways. And I just found out too, so if you do hit the little edit button there, you can actually control each individual switch. So I thought that was pretty slick. So my plan now is, I think, to wire kind of like 2 sets of lights. One that lights up the whole driveway and around the lean-to, and then maybe put a big spotlight up out back that really shines into the back fireplace area there. So you know, when the kids are coming up to the main house, they can see for miles. Anyway, so yeah, I just thought I'd review that little product there. So again, that's Miros. The actual model is MSS620. I'll toss a link down in the description. If you are thinking about purchasing it off Amazon, I'd appreciate it if you click the link. You're going to buy it anyways, so we get a little bit of a kickback if you click the link below, and then I can use that money to reinvest in the channel. Hopefully provide some better content. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.